So I got this chainsaw sharpener last fall, and I've been testing it out this winter, and I've been really impressed. It's made by Stihl, and it looks kind of like a gimmick, but it's not. I used to always use just a plain round file on a handle, and I'd wing it, and just never could seem to get the chain where I was happy with it. It'd be better than it was, but it'd never be as sharp as it was out of the box. But with this thing, it's amazing how sharp I can get it. It's got a flat file that files down the rakers to the proper height, and these square bars sit on top of the teeth to get that proper height there. And then, of course, you've got the round file that goes in the cutting tooth and files that. And I'll file maybe anywhere from 3 to 5 strokes per tooth, depending on how dull the chain is. And you want to try and keep that same number all the way around on all the teeth. And then to get your proper angle this way, you line up the this edge of the sharpener with the bar, where it's parallel with the bar, and off you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not absolutely precise because you're doing it by hand, but wow, it's amazing the results that I've gotten. You can see how fast it is, especially, I'm just doing it like in the field, just sitting here. 3, 4, 5. But you can see if you were to clamp this in a vise or something where you could use both your hands, boy, you could just whip it out really fast all the way around. And then to go to the other side, I don't want to have to move the camera around, so it'll be a little bit of a awkward angle here, but basically, to get the teeth facing this direction, you flip it over, once again where the arrow is pointing the right direction, where you want to go that way, and where this edge of it is lined up. And I've already filed this side, so I'm not going to actually do it. You just go like that. So this is a really nifty sharpener setup. It is a little pricey. I think I paid about $40 for it. But wow, that was money well spent. It's going to be quite a while before I want to take this chain into a saw shop and have them professionally sharpen it, because I can keep it in pretty good shape. In fact, I don't even know if I'll take my chains into a saw shop anymore. So this is really the next best thing to having a benchtop grinder for your chainsaw, in my opinion.